Greetings. It's Saturday, April 24th, 2021. This is almost framed now. I bought a frame for it today. I haven't put the plexiglass in yet, so I wanted to video it without all the reflection from the outside light. So, West Side Fish Story. It's a rumble. Overcooked. It was actually overlooked, but I added turned it into a C. Overcooked. Please attend to special. Lutefisk with a heart. Gefilte with a heart. My last name. Segan, copyright 2021. It's Bout number 3. As to which one is the lutefisk and which one is the gefilte fish, well, I'll leave that up to viewers' imaginations. All right, there you have it. Thank you, budgies, for I hear a little bit of chirping over there. Thank you very much. All right, there you have it. It's a rumble. Oh, I forgot to mention. Oh, no, I did already. It's West Side Fish Story. There you have it.